there is a soft wave when we are surfing on big wave. The big waves comes and it will be too far. Mm, So I'm paddling out to far away and waiting for the big waves. Just catching the big waves is very exciting because once the surfer catch on the wave and then moving to big wave, and then the wave is make it big uh, slide slope. Then the surfers can moving forwarding to the waves. Waves sometimes and moving big and move to the side. Then the surfers can go up and down, and then again uh, surfing again to the directly and moving to floating way and then sideways, and then there's turning, carving, lots of pattern of wave. It's very enjoyable on the surfing way, and if the surfers cannot fall down on and then get a boost speed and then surfing to about 100 meter, and then uh, the way to surfing is very impressive, and also it takes time. Movement of surfing, and then it's not only just side running, it's the moving to the wave position and following the wave or turning the wave, and again the turn out again, and using the power of the wave, and then we can use the surfing on a wave, and then we can make it unique subway. The subway is the way to movement, the trace of surfboard, and then I can remember after surfing, and then surfer can remember how surfing the process is one and go and turn, so using the waves, and then can make good surf skills to following the unique wave patterns. It's created by surfers with the uh, using uh, waves, the power of waves. It's a unique, and then the position of waves, all the styles. But the the most important thing is the time and the wave. The wave, big waves come where to go, and then the wave surfers can go to uh, the same way, but and using the wave, and the surfer can make good uh, surfing way trail of it's just like uh, unique movements on the surfing skills. Let's see how I can get the potential about the surfing wave. Talk about the wave, surfing wave. Let's see, go through AI. In English, you make potential of how to make the surfing on the big waves by making route of surfing and moving uniquely, following the wave, side learning, turning, and make it good surf trail after foot building with. Observe the waves, creating your line, reading the wave, and riding the power. Yes, uniquely, and then this is a good. Even I talk about just the ways of surfing, and then but the contents from AI is much good, better. Translate Korean and Vietnamese above. Now I can get back the project. After surfing, I summarize about surfing. How to surf the waves, breaking your line, leading the wave, and riding the power. Surfing big waves is more than simply standing on a board. It's about finding the right line, moving the wave, and using its natural power to create a smooth, flowing line when surfers paddle out into deeper water. They wait for the set wave the moment a big wave approaches. Excitement rises because once the boat catches the wave, the entire experience begins. Paddling out and positioning. When a large set is coming, surfers paddle toward the deeper water to avoid getting caught inside. Then they return to the takeoff zone and wait for the right moment. Paddle with a strong, steady stroke, stay in the power zone. Keep your eyes on the horizon to spot incoming sets. Good positioning determines whether you'll catch the wave at the perfect angle. Catch the wave. When the wave lifts the boat from behind, paddle harder, feel the momentum, pop up quickly and smoothly. As soon as the boat drops down the face of the wave, a big sliding slope forms. This is where the real surfing starts. Building your surf line, your route on the wave. A big wave gives surfers many movement options. Side running, riding along the open base to maintain speed and escape the braking part of the wave, turning, bottom turn to gain speed, top turn to control direction, cut back to return to the power pocket. These movements create a personal surf lines like drawing a trail on the wave. Up and down movements. By moving up to the shoulder and down to the road, surfer increase speed and stay in the power section, avoid falling behind the wave. This creates a rhythm and follow and carving in styles. On a good wave, big wave, surfers can carve and a sweeping turn, sharp turn, moderate turn. Each part shift the surf trail of flowing past that shows how the surfer used the wave's energy. Using the wave's power, the wave line. You mentioned subway, which I interpret has the waves, the password or power line. In surfing, we call this the line, the pocket, the power zone. This is the part of the wave where the face is steep, the speed is fastest. The surfer can generate momentum. The following, the power line, create a unique surfing move, and the surfer can remember the full ride afterward, each turn curve and acceleration, long ride and flow. Sometimes a big wave can carry a surfer for 100 meters or more when the speed is good, the line is clean, and the wave does not flow out. The ride becomes extremely enjoyable. So for peers connected with the wave, the carving pattern, and moving with the natural flow, timing and wave knowledge. The most important thing, big wave surfing are timing, the direction of the wave, the angle to take off, knowing where to go once the wave stands on. Surfers who understand wave timing can choose those saying to wave line every time, carving their own style into water. Final summary. Surfing big wave is about choosing your line, catching the wave at the right moment, using the power of pocket, hopping up and down, moving smoothly along the face, keeping enough speed and not fall behind, creating a unique surf trail on each wave. It's a combination of technique, timing, sensation, and flow.